Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my delicious egusi vegetable soup without frying it. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. Right here, I have my already grinded egusi, some spinach which I've gone ahead to defrost, some bitter leaves, 2 long sweet chili peppers, 3 onions, 4 scotch bonnet pepper which you can adjust to your taste, 1 cup of oil, some already grinded crayfish, curry powder, dried thyme, 2 frozen garlic, some mango cubes, and salt to taste. Okay, so guys, for all the full list of the ingredients I'm using here, please do check out the description box so you can access them anytime you want to make yours. So let's get started with this recipe. So guys, right here I've gone ahead to wash my long sweet chili peppers and my onion. I'm going to be blending the peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, and the onion with just a cup of water. So when I'm done blending this, I'm going to set this aside. Right here, I have my beef, which I'm going to be using to make my soup. I've gone ahead to add in 2 frozen garlic, some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, some dried thyme, nutmeg powder, and also some knorr seasoning, which you can also go ahead to use any spice and season of your choice. So I'll also add in the blended peppers, and I'm going to stir this up together. For the beef, I'm using some chicken, some fresh beef, shaki, which is also known as tripe, and some cow skin. So I'm going to mix this up together and I'll put it in my fire to cook without adding any water. And after 10 minutes of cooking this, I'm going to be adding more water and allow this to cook for about 25 minutes until the meat is completely cooked, which in total I'm cooking the beef for 35 minutes. So guys, after cooking the meat now for about 20 minutes, the meat is almost well done. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the chicken, the beef, and put this in my grill to grill. But if you don't like to grill your meat, you can go ahead and leave it inside your soup like that, or you can fry it. So right now, I'll add in my already grinded egusi in a bowl. I'll add in some salt to taste and knorr cubes. Add in the grinded crayfish, and I'm going to mix this up together with some water. But if your egusi is not already grinded before now, you can go ahead and blend your egusi in the blender using some water to blend it. That way you don't have to be going through this mixing process. So I'm going to use my spatula to mix this egusi properly with the seasoned cube and the crayfish that I just added to it. So guys, right now I'm going to be adding in my palm oil into my stock. And I'm not going to be stirring the oil here. I'm just going to cover it and allow the oil to cook properly for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will now go ahead and start scooping in the already mixed egusi into my pot. So guys, you can see how I'm scooping this into the stock in the pot. You're just going to go ahead and do this until all the egusi in your bowl is finished. And when you're done scooping the egusi inside your pot, you're not going to be stirring this. All you're going to do right now is to cover this and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. So guys, in about 15 minutes later, I will open up my pot and add in my bitter leaf at this moment. So I'll add in the already washed bitter leaf. And after adding the bitter leaf, I'll go ahead now and stir this up together. So when I'm done stirring it to mix it up together, I will cover it again and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. So guys, if you notice that your egusi soup is too thick, you can go ahead and add in a little bit of water to loosen it up. So right now, I will cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, I will open this up and start adding in my already grilled chicken and beef. Guys, I tell you, you have to try this grilling method on your egusi soup, as it is going to give your soup another taste and feeling while you're enjoying it, okay? So I will stir this up together. And after stirring it together, I will go ahead right now and add in the spinach, because I don't want the spinach to cook for long. So the spinach is going on the last, okay? So guys, I'll go ahead and add in enough spinach, but if you don't like lots of spinach in your soup, I would advise you don't put a lot, okay? But I love lots of spinach on this no fry egusi recipe. So I'll add in all the 500 grams of spinach and I will stir this up together. So after stirring, I will cover it at this moment and allow it to cook for just 5 minutes more. And after 5 minutes, my egusi soup is ready. So guys, thank you very much for watching this recipe. If you've watched this recipe up to this extent, thank you so much. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and help me to click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that comes after you subscribe, and that way you will never miss any of my uploads. And if you find this recipe helpful, please don't forget to smash on that like button. That way this video is going to get more views, and that will be benefit to me and other people that will enjoy from this recipe. And if you do have any question regarding this recipe, please do drop your comment in the comment section, as I will gladly reply to your comment in no less time, okay? So guys, this is 5 minutes after allowing the spinach to cook with my soup. You can see that the spinach have developed some water in the soup. Yes, this is how I want my spinach egusi soup to be. So I'm just going to stir it, add in my grilled mackerel fish, and I'm going to allow this to sit in my fire while I switch it off. And I'm going to make my smoky pounded yam. Yes guys, if you want a recipe on how to make your pounded yam using your fresh yam without using pesto to make your pounded yam, I do have the recipe, which I'm also going to be putting on the description box for you. A very easy and simple method to make your pounded yam without using your muscles. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this recipe helpful. I hope you do help me to click on the like button, as I said earlier, and I hope you don't leave this place without joining the family. Yes guys, thank you so much. I'm going to be stirring the fish with the soup, and that's the soup ready. I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy this delicious no fry egusi soup with my family. Okay, till I see you on my next video, guys. Do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.